Guide to Successful Thesis and Dissertation. Seven useful step in conducting a literature review. 7 useful step in conducting a literature review. Regardless of the type of study, several steps are useful in conducting a literature review.
Steps in conducting a literature review. A literature review means locating and summarizing the studies about a topic. Often these are research studies, since you are conducting a research study, but they may also include conceptual articles or opinion pieces that provide frameworks for thinking about topics. There is no single way to conduct a literature review, but many scholars proceed in a systematic fashion to capture, evaluate, and summarize the literature. One. Begin by identifying keywords, which is useful in locating materials in an academic library at a college or university. These keywords may emerge in identifying a topic or may result from preliminary readings. 2. With these keywords in mind, go next to the library, or use your home computer, and begin searching the catalog for holdings, i.e., journals and books. Most major libraries have computerized databases, and I suggest you focus initially on journals and books related to the topic. Also, begin to search the computerized databases that are typically reviewed by social science researchers, such as ERIC, Educational Resources Information Center, EBSCO, PsycInfo, Sociophile, the Social Science Citation Index, Google Scholar, ProQuest, and others. These are reviewed later in some detail. 3. Initially, try to locate about 50 reports of research in articles or books related to research on your topic. Set a priority on the search for journal articles and books because they are easy to locate and obtain. Determine whether these articles and books exist in your academic library or whether you need to send for them by interlibrary loan or purchase them through a bookstore. 4. Skim this initial group of articles or chapters, and duplicate those that are central to your topic. Throughout this process, simply try to obtain a sense as to whether the article or chapter will make a useful contribution to your understanding of the literature. 5. As you identify useful literature, begin designing a literature map, to be discussed more fully later. This is a visual picture, or figure, of groupings of the literature on the topic that illustrates how your particular study will contribute to the literature, positioning your study within the larger body of research. 6. As you put together the literature map, also begin to draft summaries of the most relevant articles. These summaries are combined into the final literature review that you write for your proposal or research study. Include precise references to the literature using an appropriate style guide, such as the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association, American Psychological Association APA, 2010, so that you have a complete reference to use at the end of the proposal or study.
7. After summarizing the literature, assemble the literature review, structuring it thematically or organizing it by important concepts. End the literature review with a summary of the major themes and suggest how your particular study further adds to the literature and addresses a gap in the themes. It is at this point as well that you could advance a critique of the past literature and point out deficiencies in it and issues in its methods. See Budbile, 2005.
Special thanks in this video credit to John W. Cresswell. Name of book, Research Design, 4th edition, Qualitative, Quantitative, and Mixed Methods Approaches. Strongly recommend to read this book for more information in your PhD journey.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share if this is helpful.